What is up, Paradise Crew? If you do not know who I am Alyssa from Griff and Alyssa. Griff is behind the camera today. And if you didn't already know, we are going on the Freedom of the Seas in 2 weeks from today. I'm really excited, but we're flying. So I'm going to show you how I pack my suitcase for a flight and a 7-day cruise. So if you've watched any of our other videos, you'll know that this is the first cruise that we are taking that we actually have to fly to the port. So this is slightly challenging for me. I'm unsure if all of this will fit. There are actually dresses too that are behind the camera that I will have to put in the suitcase as well. So I guess we'll find out together whether or not I can pack in a carry-on. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to pack all of my clothes in 2 packing cubes. So I have a medium size and a large size. I will reserve the large size for my dresses and some of my dressier shirts, and then I will pack all the rest of them in the medium packing cube. So in order to do this, I'm going to roll and hope they all fit. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is fold some of my bottoms. These are obviously workout shorts. We probably won't have time to work out on the cruise, but 7 days of eating and not working out might be challenging. So I'm gonna pack these just in case. And they're small, so they should fit anywhere. So now I'm bringing a pair of long yoga pants or leggings. You'll probably say, hey Alyssa, you're going to the Southern Caribbean, it's gonna be super hot. Yes, I know, but there is ice skating on the ship and you have to wear long pants. So I am going to pack some of these so we can go ice skating. Super tight. All right, and then my shorts. I got a couple pair of jean shorts here. Actually might end up wearing a pair of these for the flight. Okay, bottoms packed. Now. So let's move on to this large packing cube. Okay, so another reason I have all of these clothes, yes, it's a 7-night cruise, but we're going to be gone for a total of 9 days. I have clothes for shore excursions, I have clothes for dinner, I have a change of clothes for around the ship, so that's just why it looks like I have a lot, because I kind of do. Okay, dresses. All right, so all of my dresses are in here. They're not very pretty right now, but I think they'll fit. So I'm going to try to put my dress shirts, which will obviously fit, and these other shirts in there, and we should be good to go on the clothes. All right, so these other shirts are for the flow rider, if we decide to do that, which we will. And this other long sleeve shirt is just to wear around the cabin. Okay, so now we'll see if it fits in the suitcase. This is just a standard size carry-on luggage, so it should be fine for all those airlines. All right, so as you can see, it's really tight in here. I've obviously rolled out my clothes really tightly and not necessarily very perfectly, so reason why you want to bring the wrinkle spray when you get out of the room or get in the room and take all the stuff out. Spray with wrinkle spray, let it hang, and you're good to go. All right, so next we have our toiletries bag. So this will fold into itself here. So I did take some of the stuff out that was already in here, like all of our liquids. I put them in well, these are technically freezer size bags, but I didn't fill them all the way. So I will put one in my suitcase and give one to Cullen. And that way we both have our toiletries for the whole trip. I'll put this in here. Okay, so that's pretty much all here for my suitcase. I put some socks in this compartment here for, like I said, ice skating if we want to climb the rock wall. Socks for my tennis shoes for the excursions. I was like, I don't know why else I would need socks. I put all those in here, my loofah, and in here, I've already put in my travel wipes and our alarm clock. So that goes here. And I still have pockets for all of our phone chargers and my watch charger and all the other fun things that can fit into here. So that is what is going in my suitcase. It fits. All right. So now I'm going to pack. This is going to be my personal item on the flight. So we talked about this backpack earlier. We will take this on all of our excursions with us, but this is just another, I guess, great bag to pack the rest of our stuff. So in here will go our wallet, which has all of our passports and travel documents and credit cards and all that stuff. So I will just put this in here for convenience purposes. This is our cruise folder. It has all of our stuff that we've printed out. So obviously our e-tickets, the excursion stuff that I've printed out just so we know where we're going. All of that information is in here. So I'll put this in. So this bag is really neat. I got it in the Barbella box, which is a fitness subscription box, and I've decided to put all of my shoes in here. So I am packing 3 pairs of shoes for dinners. So flats, sandals, kind of really simple. They go with all of my dresses. It's really comfortable. I'm packing another pair of flip-flops for dinner. Oop, got stuck. And then my shoes for walking around the ship. Can't get them out. I like these Sperry's. They're really comfortable. And for our excursions that include water, I have my Vibrams. So these are a great alternative to regular water shoes. I think they're a lot more comfortable than those ones that you buy at Walmart. So these will go in the bottom of my bag. Next, I have my wet bag that has my swimwear in it. So here's some shorts for the flow rider, and actually I can wear these in port if I want to over my bathing suits. I have a couple bikinis in here, so I will just keep these in here like this and pack on top. And like I mentioned earlier, I've divided our toiletries into 2 bags, so I will keep one and I will give one to Cullen. That way airport security doesn't freak out when we come in with all these toiletries. So I will put this in here. And there's plenty of room. All right. One of the last things I pack is a rain jacket. This one is from Lululemon. It folds up into itself. You never know what happens when you're on cruises. You might need a rain jacket, so I will pack this. All right. I forgot that I also have towel clips, so I'm sure these will fit in here. And this is the lanyard that I'm going to be using for this trip. It has this pouch connected to it, so I can put my cruise card, but I can also keep my chapstick and maybe some cash in it when we go ashore, so I don't have to carry this big wallet every time. I can just use this and then carry it around my neck or put it in our bag once we're done. So this can go in here for now. It looks like everything fits. I'm really impressed. All right, so the last thing I have is my sun hat. I'm unsure if I'm going to be packing this or not. It just depends. We might just do a beach day in St. Kitts. But if I decide to, it has this strap that obviously you don't wear around your chin, or I guess you could, but I will just strap it on with my other ball cap and my hat. So it can carry on my backpack. Anything else? Oh, sunscreen. So now that everything can potentially fit in all of my carry-ons and we don't have to check a bag, I did purchase a 6-ounce thing of sunscreen, assuming that we wouldn't be able to do this. So now I'll probably have to go out and buy a 3-ounce thing of sunscreen And then actually buy 2 of them because I don't think that's going to be enough for the 2 of us for a whole week. Now there are a few other things that I've purchased off of Amazon and a few other websites that have not shown up yet. So they're not a lot of things. They should all fit in here, but if we decide not to do a carry-on and to check a bag, we'll let you know probably in the next couple weeks. Yeah, because we're leaving in 2 weeks. So this is what I would pack and how I would pack if I'm flying to a cruise, which we are. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up.
And if you dig the vibes, guys, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise.